Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you this pop art inspired panel effect. Works well on footage that's 16:9. When you've got it in that format, you can, under Video Basic, scale, cut it in half, use 50%. And then you just press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to create copies and then reposition them. You need 3 copies and the original. And now you can adjust it in many ways. You can, for example, go for each of these 2 adjustments. Try the basic adjustments. Or use the color wheel. The results obviously vary depending on the footage that you've got. But if these adjustments aren't enough for you, let me undo that. You can always go to your filters and then just pick 4 different filters. Important is to drag and drop them on the different video files, and then they will only be applied to one of these panels. Let me just pick 4 different ones here. Once you've got your selection, you can always go back to Video Basic and adjust the filter intensity. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.